This is Dr. Boden. I'm here with my patient Larry, who's had a transplant with me just over a year ago. I like what I see. How are you feeling about this, Larry?
Oh, I feel great. I told a lot of people I was getting it. They knew I got it, and they definitely see the difference. I see the difference. Now I feel really good.
It looks to me like you also made some other positive changes in your life, and maybe the hair transplant kind of kick-started, feeling good about yourself.
Oh yeah, I used to be a 2-pack-a-day cigarette smoker.
Wow.
And then when I came to my consultation, she told me that it could affect the results. So I quit immediately. 2 days later, now it's, I think, 13 months I haven't had a cigarette. And I smoked for 40 years.
Wow. Congratulations. That's an awesome accomplishment. Definitely smoking can adversely impact the hair, but you look great. You look like you've really been taking care of yourself. We did an FUT procedure, meaning we took it out in a linear strip, and what's your barber say about this?
Yeah, my barber doesn't even see the scar. And he told me he's looking for it.
I'm
and
looking.
He can't find it.
I'm looking for it too. I'll do a close up. It's right here. Here it comes.
And I really did
There
not.
it is.
I did not have to do a lot to take care of it either. I just put some of that whatever you gave me on it.
The healing gel.
Yeah, and that was it. It was not difficult at all.
Good. Well, you look great. Honored to have a chance to work with you, and stay on the meds.
Yeah,
We'll see you. Make sure we'll follow along and make sure you continue to do well.
we'll get another one. Thank you.